Hello students, once again this is Teacher Ann. Welcome to our online class. Today we will be discussing about addition up to 1000 with regrouping. So to start, let us have our word of the day. And our word of the day is the word sum. Everybody repeat the word sum. One more time, sum. In Pasatay, it means now let us spell the word sum. Sum is spelled as S-U-M. Sum. Let us spell the word sum one more time. S-U-M. Sum is the result or answer we get on adding two or more numbers. Let us now use the word sum in a sentence. The sum of 8 and 5 is 13. Let us read the sentence one more time. The sum of 8 and 5 is 13. All right. Now let us use the word one more time in a sentence. The sum of 12, 24, 7, and 11 is 54. Kindly read the sentence one more time. The sum of 12, 24, 7, and 11 is 54. All right. So what is our word of the day again? Very good. Last time we studied about addition without regrouping. So now let us have a short review. So for letter A, 530 plus 54 is equal to? Very good. Letter B, 603 plus 76 is equal to? That's right. Letter C, 703 plus 164 is equal to? Very good. And the last letter, 362 plus 434 is equal to? That's great. Now let us have our vocabulary words. So these are the words that we should understand and learn in this lesson. So everybody repeat after me. Addition. Addend. Addend. Sum. Regrouping. All right. So let us first discuss the parts of addition number sentence. So as you can see here, the first number that we add is what we called addend. Again, addend is the first number. Then the second number is what we called addend. Again, the second number is what we called addend. And this plus sign is the mathematical operation that indicates addition. $378, or the answer in addition, is what we called sum. Sometimes it is called the total. And as you can see here, this small number indicates that regrouping has been made from the previous place column. So regrouping has been made from the previous place column, place value column rather. So let us now have example of addition with regrouping. So for example, number 1, let's add 168 and 108 using place value table. So this is our place value table. So as you can see, the first column is the ones place, the second column is the tens place, and the third column is the hundreds place. So if we are adding numbers, we need to start from the right going to the left. So the first step is we need to add the digits in the ones place. So here 6 plus 8, or 6 ones plus 8 ones is equals to 14 ones. So as you can see, 14 ones should be regrouped. So 14 ones is equals to 110 and 4 ones. So we need to move 110 to the tens column. That's why we need to put carry 1 here. Second step, we need to add the digits in the tens place. So here, 110 plus 6 tens plus 0 tens is equals to 7 tens. Then the third step, we need to add the hundreds digits. So 100 plus 100 is equal to 200s. So 166 plus 108 is equal to 274. So let us have another example using place value table. Add 287 and 381. So again, make sure that the numbers or the digits are aligned accordingly. So again, we need to add first the digits in the ones place. So 7 ones plus 8 1 is equal to 8 ones. Next step, add the tens digit. 8 tens plus 8 tens is equals to 16 tens. So since we cannot write 16 here, we need to regroup 16 tens. And 16 tens is equal to 106 tens. So 6 will be written here. And we need to move 1 to the hundreds column. So we need to move 100 to the hundreds column. And our last step is add the hundreds digit. So 100 plus 200s plus 300s is equal to 600s. Therefore, 287 plus 381 is equal to 668. Can you follow? All right. For our third example, we will be adding the numbers in expanded form. So let us add 364 and 127. So the expanded form of 364 is 300 plus 60 plus 4. And 127 in expanded form is written as 100 plus 20 plus 7. Let us now do the addition. Okay, step 1, add the ones digits. So 4 plus 7, or 4 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 11 ones. Next, add the tens digits. 6 tens plus 2 tens is equal to 8 tens. And the last step, add the hundreds digits. 3 hundreds plus 100 is equal to 4 hundreds. And then after that, we need to add the hundreds together with tens and ones. So it will be 4 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 11 ones is equals to 491. So how did we get 491? So as you can see here, we cannot write 11 ones here. So it means we need to regroup 11 ones. So let us now regroup 11 ones. So 11 ones is equal to 110 and 1 1. Okay, so 7 plus 4 plus 7 is equals to 11, right? So we are going to write 1 here, and then we need to move 110 to the tens column. So 10 plus 60 plus 20 is equal to 90. And then let us add the numbers in the hundreds place. So 300 plus 100 is equal to 400. So 364 plus 127 is equals to 491. Is it clear? All right, let us proceed. For example, number 4, we will be using the shortcut method. So let us add 540 and 378. So as you can see, it is just the same as adding using the place value table. It's just that we didn't write the place value here. Okay, so again, make sure that the digits are aligned accordingly. So the first step is we need to add the digits in the ones place. So 0 plus 8 or 0 ones plus 8 ones is equal to 8 ones. Next, we need to add the tens digits. 4 plus 7 is equal to, or 4 tens plus 7 tens is equal to 11 tens. And 11 tens is equal to 101 So we need to regroup 11 tens. So we need to move 100 to the hundreds column. So 1 plus 5 plus 3, or 100 plus 500s plus 300s is equals to 900s. Therefore, 540 plus 378 is equal to 918. Next, example number 5, we can simply add numbers mentally. So how do we do it? Mentally. So for example, letter A, 276 plus 8. So we can break 276 into 274 plus 2. And we all know that if we add 2 and 8, it will give us 10. And 274 plus 10 is equal to 284. So 276 plus 8 is equal to 284. So as you can see, we are able to solve this without so much computation. Okay, let us have another example. So this is 276 plus 90. Okay, so for our first method, we can solve it mentally by doing this. So let us break 276 into 266 plus 10. Now let us use the 100 strategy. So here, if we add 10 and 90, it will give us 100. And we can easily add 276 and 100. And it will give us the sum of 366. So therefore, 276 plus 90 will be equal to 366. So the answer is 366. So this is another way of solving this addition number sentence mentally. So 276 plus 100 is equals to 376. So 376 minus 10 will give us the sum of 366. Why do we need to subtract 10? Because our given is only 90, right? But as you can see, we get the same answer as the previous one. So 276 plus 90 will give us the sum of 366. All right. Now let us add 3 numbers. So how do we add 3 numbers? Okay, step 1. Add the first 2 numbers. So in our example here, 46 plus 36 plus 56 equals unknown. So the first 2 numbers are 46 and 36. So let us add the first 2 numbers. So 6 plus 6 will give us 12. And then let us regroup. So let us move 110 to the 10th place or to the 10th column. So 1 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 8. Next step, add the sum with the number left. So our sum is 82. And the number left here in our given example is 56. So 82 plus 56 will give us 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, and 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. Therefore, 46 plus 36 plus 56 will give us the sum of 138. So let us have another example of adding 3 numbers. So here we have 142 plus 369 plus 84. Again, the first step is we need to add the first 2 numbers. So 142 plus 369. So 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. Then let us regroup 11 ones. So we will put carry 1 here. So it means we need to move 1 10 to the tens column. So 1 plus 4 plus 6 is equals to 11. Then let us move 100 to the hundreds column. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 will give us 5. So this is the sum. This is the sum. Next, we need to add the sum with the number left. So the number left is 84. So 511 plus 84 will give us 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. And then since there's no number here, we will just bring down digit 5. So the answer is 595. So this one, we could simply add 3 numbers at a time. And again, reminder, make sure that the digits are aligned accordingly. So all the digits in the ones place should be aligned all together. All the digits in the tens place should be aligned all together, as well as the digits in the hundreds place. Because once you put the numbers on the wrong place, you'll get a wrong answer. Okay, so let us now do the addition. So 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 4 is equals to 15. So let us put carry 1 here, which means we regroup the number in the ones place. So 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 6 is 11, plus 8 is equals to 19. So let us put another one here. So carry 1, which means we regroup the digits in the tens place. So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 3 is equal to 5. So as you can see, we obtain the same answer. So we still get the same answer. 142 plus 369 plus 84 will give us the sum of 595. So if you don't have any question, let us have a practice. So this is on page 67 of your book. So for letter A, so this is addition using place value table. So let us add 374 plus 289, and it will give us the sum of 4 plus 9 is equals to 3, carry 1, 1 plus 7 plus 8 is equals to 16, carry 1 here, 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 will give us the sum of 663. Okay, next letter B. So what is 8 plus 6? Okay, so it is equals to 14 ones. So we need to regroup 14 ones. So we need to write carry 1 in the tens column. So it means we move 1 10 to the tens column. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 7 is 10. So we need to remove 10 tens. So 0 will be written here, and 100 will be moved to the hundreds column. So 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is equals to 9. So the sum is equals to 904. Okay, now that you have completely understood our lesson about addition with regrouping, I want you to answer pages 68 to 71 and page 75, number 1 only, and page 76 of your book. So for your homework, this is for your homework. So this is page 68, page 69, page 70, page 71, page 75, again, number 1 only, and on page 76. So here it says, color the 3 numbers such that the sum is the number on each robot. So for example here, so 618 plus 122 plus 209 will give us the sum of 949. So is it clear? Can you follow? All right. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you have learned something. Goodbye, everyone. See you again next time.